Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate a voice controlled AC bulb using Arduino Uno and relay module. Light on. Light off. Light on. Light off. The aim of this project is to control AC bulb using human voice command. This is the Arduino Uno and this is relay module and this is code. Once again, light on. Light on. Light off. Light off. Thanks for watching.